Hey guys, this is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a very basic progress bar like this in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is that I'll hit Ctrl or Command N to create a new composition. I will call it Basic Progress Bar, and I'll set the duration to 4 seconds. Then click OK. Next, I'll hit Ctrl or Command Y to create a new solid. I will call it background. You can choose any color you want. Then click OK. Now I'll activate the title action save grid from here. Then make sure you are unselecting this layer, and then go to the Tools bar and select the Pen tool. I'll set the fill to none and the stroke to a solid color. Then change the stroke width to 100 pixels and choose the color you want for the stroke. Okay, next I'll go to the composition panel here and I will draw a straight line. So I'll make one click here, then hold down Shift key and make another click here. Now this is gonna be our progress bar, so let's animate it. First, I'll drag the time indicator to 12 frames. Then open up the shape layer. Then go to the Add button here and add Trim Path. Open up the Trim Path. Set the N value here to 0. Then click on the stopwatch beside it. And now drag the time indicator to about 2 seconds and 12 frames. Then set the N value to 100. Next, I'll select both keyframes, right-click, Keyframe Assistant, and select Easy Ease. Then go to the graph editor. Make sure you are on the speed graph. Then drag this point inward like this. I will also enable motion blur. And now let's click play and see what we have so far. Perfect, so far so good. Next, I'll draw a holder to our bar here. So first thing, make sure you are unselecting all the layers here. Then go to the Tools bar and select the Rectangle tool. I will set the stroke width here to about 3 pixels. And then I'll come here and start drawing a rectangle around this bar like this. Perfect. Next, I'll come here, right-click, select New Text. Then I'll go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for an effect called Slider Control. Apply it onto the text layer. And now I'll open up the text layer, open up Text, then open up Effects, and then Slider Control. Now hold down Alt or Option key on your keyboard. Then click on the stopwatch beside the source text here, and this will open up the expression field. Now go to this pick whip and drag it till you place it over the slider here, and then release. By doing this, I have told After Effects that whatever value of this slider is, take it and display this value on screen. Also, I'll add here before this math.round, open parentheses, then come here at the end and write close parentheses. And by doing this, I told Adobe After Effects to return the value of the slider here rounded to the nearest integer. Perfect. Now click anywhere outside this text field to apply our expression. So as you can see here, as I play around with the slider value, After Effects takes this value and display it on the screen here. And now I'll change my text color to white to match my progress bar here. And I'll decrease the font size a bit. Now this looks good to me. Okay, next I'll add a new text layer and write the percentage symbol and make it aligned with the numbers here. Perfect. Now I want to animate this number to go from 0 to 100 with my progress bar here. So I'll set my time indicator to 12 frames, then click on the stopwatch beside it, set the slider to 0, then go to 2 seconds and 12 frames, then set the slider value to 100. Next, I'll select these two keyframes. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease. Then go to the graph editor, and in the speed graph, I'll drag this point inward like this. I'll also enable motion blur. And now let's click play and see what we have so far. Perfect. So now we know how to create a basic progress bar in Adobe After Effects. Okay guys, so this is our tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave your comment below. Also, if you're interested to master Shape Layers Essentials in Adobe After Effects, you can check out the link in the description below for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.